you fold your fabric into 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So just like this and fold. So here is going to be for the back, for the front, and this too is for the back. The front one is, the back is 1 inch longer than the front. So this is going to be my zip allowance. Here you mark out 1 inch for your shoulder, and here my armpit is 9 and 15, waist 19, blouse hip full length is 26 plus half an inch seam sewing allowance. My shoulder is 16 by 2 is 8 plus half an inch seam sewing allowance. You bring this down like this, or you curve it. So this is the bust. The bust is 40 by 4 is 10 plus half an inch seam sewing allowance. The waist is 36 by 4, 9 plus half an inch seam sewing allowance. The blouse hip is 38 by 4, 9.5 plus half an inch seam sewing allowance, and here is going to play out. And here I'm going to minus 1.5 inch to give it a fitted curve. The neck is 4.5. I'll cut here. By the time I finish sewing, it's going to be 5, and it's going to be like a V-neck to 9. By the time I finish sewing, it will be 9.5. So the old V, you do it like this, but now I'm going to curve it. And for the back is going to be high. On the shoulder, you slant it to give it a shape. So I cut the back first. I raise this to cut the front. Then I cut the rest of the body. This for the back, and on the front side you're still curving like half an inch. I did not cut the shoulders, so cut the interfacing for the front. So I got this piece of fabric folded into 2, and this is the neckline. I'll mark this way, and here is 2 inches. I'll make sure that here is 2 inches as well. This is the neckline of the back. So I'm using my leftover, the pieces for my neckline. just like I did on the front, you mark 2 inches, 2 all round. For the front one, I'm going to sew to line the front, and to line the back the same. I'm going to sew here. To cut the sleeves, I'm cutting 2 sleeves and at a go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and here folded. Here you mark out half an inch seam sewing allowance, and my sleeve length is 21 plus 1.5 inch sewing allowance. So here in 2.5, I'm going to slant down by 2.5. So from here you fold and the sleeve round is going to be big, and to here is going to have elastic band here. So here I'm making it 19 and all through. First of all, ironing half an inch. And this is another half, and this is where I will pull in the elastic through. So I'm going to sew here and then insert my elastic. After lining the neck, It's now time to join the shoulders. I'll go and top stitch. And now I join the sides. And so get it. Now after joining the sides, this is what we have now. The next thing is to join the sleeves. The sleeves I have sewn is to pull through the elastic band. So whatever I do on this, I repeat here. When you draw, you measure to the size of your wrist. Whatever it gives is how you draw elastic, and don't make it to be tight. The wrist here is 6 plus half an inch seam sewing allowance is going to be 7 in total. So 3.5 is what I need here. 3.5. I'm going to stitch here to hold the elastic, and then I'll sew it down. And I'm going to sew this way. Sleeve 1 and sleeve 2. Now to sew it onto the top, you pin it round. So you measure 2 inches from here and you pleat. Two inches from the other side. Here. So the rest of this, I'm going to pleat it as I sew. Two pleats on each side. And I will repeat that to the other side of the sleeve and sew it all round. Okay, sew the sleeve. So I made sure that the pleat was going towards the shoulder, towards a particular side. The next is to add the zip now and hem the full length here, and that's it.
If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to subscribe, like this video and share it. Are you going to try this blouse without that? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye bye.